In 2008, scientists discovered human remains dating from 9,000 years ago, and they contained a bacterium that has plagued us for generations. People have called it many names, such as stasis, consumption, and as we know today, tuberculosis. Today, tuberculosis, or TB, is one of the world's biggest infectious killers, causing more deaths than malaria, or even HIV and AIDS. But what is this disease, and how has it been infecting humans for so long? The journey of tuberculosis begins in the air. They travel through our airways and infect our lungs. Immune cells called macrophages mount a defense against the invaders, absorbing and breaking down the bacteria. In many cases, this is enough to remove the bacteria, but in others with medical conditions such as HIV or diabetes, the immune system may not be strong enough. If this happens, the bacteria will reproduce inside of those macrophages and end up forming colonies in the surrounding tissue. As the infection spreads, it destroys the infected tissue, causing symptoms such as chest pain and coughing up blood. This damage to the lungs leads to oxygen deprivation, which leads to a torrent of different symptoms, including a decrease in appetite and iron production. From here, microbes move into the skeletal system, causing back pain and difficulty moving, to the kidneys and intestines, causing abdominal pain, and to the brain, causing headaches and impaired consciousness. This produces the common image of tuberculosis: weight loss, a bloody cough, and ghostly white skin. This gave it the nickname, the White Plague. Treatment for this disease does exist, but there is another aspect that makes tuberculosis a tough-to-beat disease. About 90% of people infected don't show any symptoms. In these cases, the bacteria remain dormant, waiting for someone's immune system to become weak enough for it to overtake their defenses. This makes tuberculosis much harder to diagnose. Even when identified, treatments can last from 6 to 12 months, requiring multiple drugs and a high potential for side effects. This discourages people from finishing their treatment, causing the bacteria to gain a resistance to these drugs. Today, tuberculosis is still prevalent in 30 countries, most of which are already facing other health issues. Getting treatment within these countries can be difficult because of the lack of medical care. Despite this, tuberculosis is a treatable disease, and one day, in the future, it may become a thing of the past. If you want to learn more about tuberculosis, I've linked a few articles in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.